Hello and welcome to our comparison video of two popular air fryers. In this video, we'll be comparing the brand shortened name air fryer and the Ninja AF150 AMZ Air Fryer XL. We'll be evaluating these products based on several categories to help you make an informed decision. Before we get started, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel to show your support. The Ninja Air Fryer XL has a larger 5.5 quarts, non-stick basket and crisper plate, allowing you to cook up to 3 pounds of food at once, making it perfect for larger families or parties. The brand shortened name air fryer has a more compact size, making it great for smaller households or those with limited counter space. The Ninja Air Fryer XL has 5 versatile cooking programs: air fry, air roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, making it perfect for all your cooking needs. The brand shortened name air fryer has fewer cooking programs but still comes with temperature control, which ranges from 80 to 200 degrees to cook a variety of meals. Both air fryers use rapid air circulation technology to fry food without excess oil, making them healthier cooking options than traditional frying methods. However, the Ninja Air Fryer XL claims to reduce up to 75% of oil compared to deep-fried French fries, while we have no quantitative data on the brand shortened name air fryer's oil reduction capabilities. Both air fryers have non-stick baskets and crisper plates for easy cleaning, but the Ninja Air Fryer XL's accessories are also dishwasher safe, making cleaning a breeze. The brand shortened name air fryer requires a simple hand wash for its detachable compartments. The Ninja Air Fryer XL has a wider temperature range of 105 degrees F to 400 degrees F for more cooking options, while the brand shortened name air fryer has a temperature range of 80 to 200 degrees. The brand shortened name air fryer is priced at price USD, while the Ninja Air Fryer XL costs price USD. Please keep in mind that depending on your budget and needs, the price difference may be a deciding factor. That concludes our comparison video of the brand shortened name air fryer and the Ninja AF150 AMZ Air Fryer XL. We hope this video helped you make an informed decision. Please don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and reviews. Thanks for watching.